Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Awapuhi Styling Treatment Oil is probably one of the most versatile and effective hair products you can add to your routine, designed to tame frizz, add shine, and provide a smooth finish without weighing your hair down. This luxurious oil is infused with the natural essence of Awapuhi, a Hawaiian ginger, known for its conditioning and revitalizing properties, making it a go-to for achieving salon-quality results right at home, whether you have fine, thick, curly, or straight hair. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. It's designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It actively repairs damage from within. Experience immediate results as it targets and repairs hair damage. You'll notice a significant difference right away. Achieve noticeably softer and stronger hair with consistent use. It revitalizes your strands from root to tip. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. It helps restore your hair's natural health and resilience. Get ready to love your hair again. What we like. This is a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed to immediately repair hair damage. If your hair is severely damaged and you're looking for a quick, effective way to strengthen it before washing, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want to see visible improvements in hair strength and softness with minimal extra effort in their routine. What people say. This product helps strengthen hair by repairing and healing each individual hair shaft with less noticeable split ends. This product has quick results, and after 2 to 3 washes, your hair is noticeably healthier and stronger. It will fix split ends by relinking the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage to the hair. Number 4. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the secret to luminous, healthy-looking hair. This iconic treatment oil is your key to a vibrant shine. Infused with nourishing argan oil, it deeply conditions and revitalizes your strands. Experience a transformation from root to tip. Tame frizz and flyaways with this versatile formula. It leaves your hair incredibly smooth, soft, and brilliantly shiny. Help strengthen your hair and protect it from environmental stressors. It's the perfect daily addition to your hair care routine. Achieve salon-worthy results with ease. Just a few drops can transform your hair's texture and appearance. Trust the original argan oil treatment that started it all. It's a must-have for anyone seeking beautiful, manageable hair. What we like. This iconic treatment oil is renowned for its ability to add brilliant shine and dead-angle hair, while also controlling frizz. If you desire smooth, glossy hair that's easy to manage and looks effortlessly polished, this is your go-to. It's perfect for anyone seeking that healthy, salon-like finish daily. What people say. It makes my hair soft, shiny, and smooth without feeling greasy. The scent is beautiful and lasts all day. A little goes a long way, and it instantly makes my hair look healthier. It leaves hair soft, shiny, and smelling great. A little goes a long way, but be careful not to overdo it, as it can make hair heavy and greasy. Moderation is key to achieving the desired results. It's also effective in reducing frizz and even makes curls look even better. Keeps my hair soft and frizz-free. Just a drop or 2 is all my hair needs for the entire day. My hair is frizz-free and so soft. It's usually very frizzy and untamed. Number 3. OUAI Hair Oil Travel Size. Introducing the OUAI hair oil in a convenient travel size. This powerful, multitasking oil is your go-to for healthy, beautiful hair wherever you go. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, glossy hair. It effectively protects against heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your hair stays healthy and protected. Infused with alma oil and baobab seed oil, it strengthens your hair and provides essential hydration. Plus, galangal root extract shields your color from UV damage. Embrace your natural beauty with products designed for effortless routines. This serum cuts styling time while nourishing your hair, leaving you looking great IRL. Experience luxury hair products made easy. Use it on wet hair, dry hair, or as an overnight mask for intense hydration and a healthy, shiny finish. Our formula is free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, and it's color safe. You can trust it to nourish and protect your hair without harsh chemicals. What we like. This multitasking oil offers excellent heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and combats frizz for a smooth finish. If you frequently use heat styling tools or live in a humid climate and struggle with frizz, this product is a must-have. It's designed for those who need a reliable shield against damage while achieving a sleek, shiny look. What people say. It does not weigh down my hair at all, it makes it shiny and smells amazing. This hair oil really delivers on frizz control and shine. My hair stays smooth and glossy for days after using it. I love that it's super lightweight and doesn't weigh down my fine hair, which is a huge plus. It makes my hair soft and shiny and it doesn't have an oily smell. The bottle is perfect for traveling. It has a spill-proof lid. Number 2. OUAI Hair Oil, Heat Protectant for Frizz Control. Introducing our multitasking hair oil, your perfect companion for any occasion. It's designed to give you healthy-looking hair with ease. This incredible formula smooths split ends and frizz while adding amazing shine. It also protects your hair from heat and UV damage, keeping it looking its best. Enriched with almond oil for strength and baobab seed oil for hydration, it ensures your hair remains strong and healthy. It provides thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and shields your color from fading. Enjoy everyday styling without worry. Designed to cut down your styling time, it nourishes your hair health. We believe in using the good stuff for quality results. Embrace bold living with OUAI, your everyday essential. Go all the OUAI with confidence and style. What we like. This hair oil provides essential heat and UV protection, keeping your color vibrant and smoothing split ends. If you have color-treated hair and are concerned about fading or damage from styling and sun exposure, this is an excellent choice. It's formulated for those who want to maintain their hair's health and color integrity while styling. What people say. It does not weigh down my hair at all, it makes it shiny and smells amazing. This hair oil really delivers on frizz control and shine. My hair stays smooth and glossy for days after using it. I love that it's super lightweight and doesn't weigh down my fine hair, which is a huge plus. It makes my hair feel silky without leaving it greasy, and it even works well on very dry ends. This hair oil has the most wonderful fragrance. And it is so moisturizing without being heavy or leaving any residue. It's my best friend on humid days. Number 1. Paul Mitchell Awapuhi Wild Ginger Intensive Treatment. Discover the transformative power of Awapuhi Wild Ginger. This intensive treatment is designed to deeply nourish and restore your hair. It works to rebuild and repair strands from within. Say goodbye to dryness and damage, and hello to revitalized hair. If your hair is feeling dry, this formula provides essential moisture. It helps to replenish lost hydration for a softer feel. For hair that's seen better days, it offers a potent repair solution. It targets damage to restore strength and resilience. Even color-treated hair can benefit from its restorative properties. It helps to maintain vibrancy while improving hair health. Experience the difference that intense care can make. Your hair will feel stronger, look healthier, and be more manageable. What we like. This intensive treatment is specifically formulated to rebuild and repair dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. If your hair feels brittle, looks dull, or has suffered from chemical treatments, this offers a deep restorative solution. It's ideal for those seeking to revitalize and intensely nourish their compromised hair. What people say. Softens hair instantly, great smell. The best conditioner I've ever had. Especially after processed hair like highlights or color-treated. It has a lovely, light scent, and is rich and quickly is absorbed by hair that is thirsty for moisture. My hair is softer, shinier, and more manageable. I love this product leaves my hair feeling so soft, but not greasy or weighed down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.